Hi everyone, my name is Margot Hufnagel. I am the Marketing Creative Director for Berroco, and I'm here to tell you all about our Spring Summer Yarn Tasting Kit. We debuted our Spring Summer collection earlier this week, and we are always so excited to share with you the new Spring Summer yarns. In the kit, you get 6 mini balls, 5 of which are brand new yarns to Berroco, and 1 is a Spring Summer favorite, Modern Cotton. You can order this through your favorite Berroco retailer, and if you need to find one, use our store locator on Berroco.com, and you get this kit, you get our consumer newsletter, you get 50% off coupon for a spring summer pattern, and you get a little swag, our newest sheep sticker, which I know you're gonna want to stick to your favorite water bottle. Let's see what's inside. The first yarn I'm going to talk about is Lumi. Lumi is this really beautiful glimmery yarn. It has, the content is cotton, polyester with a little bit of other fibers. Let me get that zooming in. It is a beautiful yarn to work with. The resulting fabric has that really nice shimmer. We love using it in stockinette, simple silhouettes. This is a perfect date night yarn. It adds a little bit of that elegance, a little bit of that flair to some everyday basics. Our collection includes tanks and tees and a really beautiful, very popular poncho. The next one I want to show you is Splash. Splash is a really fun spring summer yarn. It is made of viscose, 70% viscose and 30% organic cotton. It's so soft to the touch. It's really an easy yarn to work with. The color injections kind of go in and out of some really beautiful neutrals to really pops of color. This collection has a beautiful tee, nice tank. We did a skirt with this one. It's so good. It really is a beautiful yarn to work with, and it's fun, optimistic. It really evokes this like resorty, beachy kind of vibe that you want for your spring summer knits. Next is a new addition to our commitment to sustainable and recycled fibers, and that is our Gaia yarn. Gaia is made with 70% recycled cotton and 30% recycled polyester. This is a beautiful yarn. It's a really great yarn also for a wool substitute. It's about a DK weight. It has that really beautiful stone wash, tweedy type of look. The collection includes a beautiful cardigan with a nice garter stitch collar. We made a gorgeous crochet tank in this called Azores, and it wears really well. It washes really well. I really love these pieces in the collection for putting over dresses, putting over bathing suits. It is a beautiful yarn to work with, and again, we're really excited that we're adding to our current collection of sustainable yarns, including Remix and Renew. Next up are 2 line extensions with our very popular vintage base. The first one we'll talk about is Vintage Baby Hand Paint. Vintage Baby came on the scene about a season ago, and it's a very popular yarn. This is in the same base of Vintage Baby, really super soft, almost like a brushed acrylic wool nylon content. It is just next to skin softness. The put up for Vintage Baby Hand Paint is a little different from Vintage Baby, and it's in hanks because it is hand painted. We love combining the Vintage Baby solids and the Vintage Baby hand paints with different styles like blankets and cardigans, and it really is a beautiful yarn. I almost like this for yokes or different sweater cuffs, that if you're using it for an adult sweater, this is a really good put up, a really good yarn for those kinds of things. Vintage Baby Hand Paint. And next is a new sock yarn. If you've been around the block and if you know me well enough, you know I love socks. So I was actually very excited when we were introducing sock yarn to the vintage line. It's the same acrylic wool nylon content that you know and love with vintage, but in this very lightweight that can be used for beautiful color work, amazing socks, and you can even hold it together to make some beautiful marls for larger gauges. We created a really wonderful sock book this season that teaches you everything you've ever wanted to know about socks. We give you 10 different patterns. We give you how-tos. We want you to love socks just as much as we do. And we're really very excited about this beautiful new addition to the Vintage family line, and that is Vintage Sock. And last but certainly not least is a longtime favorite for spring, summer, and this is an all year round yarn, and that is Modern Cotton. Modern Cotton, 60% Pima cotton, 40% modal rayon. It is the best of both worlds of these two fibers. It's very soft. It has a beautiful stitch definition. It washes well. It wears really well. And Modern Cotton just has that nice little sheen to it that really makes it a perfect yarn for anything spring, summer, for your basics, for color work, for bags. We love this yarn for all sorts of accessories. Anything spring, summer, it's a really good workhorse yarn. It will not let you down, and we love it so much. So that's it. You're gonna get these 6 beautiful new yarns in your yarn tasting kit. We encourage you to use it to swatch for our new spring, summer collection, but we know you also love to make projects with it, so definitely check out our blog in which we share some past projects that you can use with this, like handkerchiefs or hats and shawls and cowls. We love to see also what our stores are doing with our yarn tasting kit. We don't want you to waste any little bits. So have fun in creating your own projects with this kit, and we hope you love them. Please let me know in the comments which one caught your eye, and definitely come back and subscribe for more content from Berroco.com. Thanks, everyone.